What did we forget to do today?
Wear white pants.
I got you, sorry.
Enough of that.
I'm sorry. You ready for it?
Where's our white shirts? Hey, everybody getting...
Talking about that, you know, got some, we have fresh blood coming in next week. It's really good.
We're excited.
Well, good luck tomorrow.
Thanks so much.
Thanks for coming and racing with us. We really appreciate it. Come back.
Yeah,
Come
always
back.
back.
All right.
I'm co-driving in sandals.
I know, both guys are in sandals.
Later that day.
Someone from San Diego.
Yeah.
Yep.
If you are this number.
Oh, you got his number, sorry.
Someone's gonna watch this someday and be like, what the fuck?
Yellow. Hey, bud, what's up? Good, how are you? Perfect. You see where all the chase trucks are?
What time is it, Keith?
4.
Really? Well, so it's 4-ish a.m. And we're gonna go race cars because we're idiots.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Hey,
What is it?
go boot scooping.
I'm always boot scooping or poop scooping or whatever.
Yeah. We're trying to take a class. That's all I was doing. My mouth open.
What did we forget to do today?
Wear white pants.
I'm not. Look, no, you got. What do you got white pants on?
What did we
Hell
forget
yeah.
to do today?
No, you open this up and go. Today we're what?
Oh, no, I did
where,
that in the
when?
motorhome. I did that in the hotel. So, but yeah, we're in a small town called Bonnie Claire in Nevada.
Town.
Town. Racetrack here.
Gotcha.
It's race morning. We are the 5th car in the 6200 class, 3rd 6100. And we're gonna try not to suck too much.
All right, cut. Give me one more good thumbs up.
Get a time split on who's behind us too, please?
Yep, absolutely.
Yep, we'll get it for you.
You probably leave the handle.
What are those?
ratchet though.
I need the half a song. I need the ratchet.
Got it.
Fire it up. Hey,
Fire it
wait,
up.
hey, round.
Hang on.
It's a monster, man. Must be is this Nick Isenhouer family? You're the brother, I know. So you guys are racing in the 6100 class. Well, not first or second, I can tell you. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So I don't know where it is. You'll see it on the results. So good job. Truck looks good. We're here. I want to thank some people. Yeah, everybody in a white heat wave shirt that's here today, they got this truck here. Without each and every one of their helps, this truck would not be on the stand right here at the finish line. We overcame some issues all day, and these guys overcame it. And, I'm super proud of everybody that's on the team. These guys are good. Garrett Stone rode with me last half of the race. Keith Marigold, my brother, they started the race. My brother was able to put it on. He started qualified third, and dude, he did an amazing job. Just stoked to be here. Honestly, this is our first Vegas to Reno on our own. We've raced with multiple teams in the past, but this is our first time on our own. And we finished, so couldn't be more proud of that. You guys were the old 1450 door, back in the days, We had, it was like a nickname I had for that in the early store. We had like the guys who put the hats on. Yeah, that's how we had it. Good job. You're here. All right. Where's Nick? Where's he up there? Nick, nice seeing you, man. Up there, you guys, awesome. Awesome team. Good job.
Hey, what's this for? Why do you have a bunch of the same t-shirts on? Oh, that's not going on.
Oh my god.
You look like you had a day though, bro.
Yeah.